Gotta replace this. Next up, I'm gonna asset my wheels and tanks and get them buffed and polished. Nice little paint job I put on here, nothing crazy, but wet sand and buff shit gonna be nice and shiny. Put my stickers on it. Get these tanks buffed and polished. Paint these tanks. Probably gonna hit the frame too. Probably gonna touch the frame up a little bit. Run like a top though. Good truck. Don't smoke. Crank right up. I'll get out of that for y'all when I pull it out of here and get these tanks buffed up, polished. It's gonna make it look real good. Hook my CD up and clean the insides up real good. Oh, put this back on there. It's on the floor. Take the headliner down. I'm gonna redo that. I'm gonna show all y'all. I'm gonna record all that for y'all. I'm trying to get my YouTube up and going. I ain't been on here in a while. I'm gonna show y'all this project though. It's my 2005 Volvo. That ain't nothing right here, really. It's just, it ain't. I looked on the inside. It's not connected to the cab. Put a new tip on there as well. New shiny tip. Put all my center pieces back on it and get it ready for the road. Stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe.